Welcome to Digital Learning DCE. In this video, I am presenting the BSc 3rd semester Mathematics Algebra Paper 3 Properties of Order of an Element of a Group Theorem 6. Let A be an element of order n of a group G and let P be an integer prime to n. Then A power of P is also of order n. Proof. Given order of A is equal to n, let order of A power of P is equal to m, which implies that A power of P whole to the power of m is equal to e by the definition of order of an element of a group. Clearly, order of A power of P is less than or equal to order of A, that is, m is less than or equal to n. Consider this as equation 1. And also, P and n are relatively prime, which implies that there exist integers x and y such that nx plus py is equal to 1. A power of nx plus py is equal to a power of 1 because nx plus py is equal to 1. This implies a power of nx into a power of py is equal to a. This implies a power of n whole power of x into a power of py. Just we have taken a power of nx as a power of n whole to the power of x and a power of py as it is. A power of n whole power of x, a power of py is equal to a. Implies that a power of n whole power of x into a power of py is equal to a. Because a power of n is equal to e, so a power of n whole power of x is written as e power of x. E power of x into a power of py is a. Consider a power of m is equal to a power of py whole power of m, because we got here a power of py as a, so replace a by a power of py, and rearranging the powers we get a power of p whole power of m whole to the power of y. A power of p whole power of e, we get e power of y. E power of y is nothing but e. So this implies order of A is less than or equal to m. Order of A means it is n. So this can be written as n is less than or equal to m. Consider this as equation 2. By 1 and 2 we get m is equal to n. Because equation 1 implies m is less than or equal to n, and equation 2 implies n is less than or equal to m. Hence from 1 and 2 m is equal to n. That is, order of A is equal to order of a power of p. Now order of A is equal to n and order of a to the power of p is m. Hence the result. Now theorem 7 statement. Let A be an element of order n of a group G and let P be an integer such that n, P is equal to D. Then prove that order of A power of P is equal to n by D. Proof. Given order of A is equal to n, so n, P is equal to D. Given order of A is equal to n, given order of A is equal to n and n, P is equal to D. This implies D divides n and D divides P. Means D is the common divisor of both n and P. This can be written as n is equal to dk1 and P is equal to dk2. Okay, here we have taken some constants k1 and k2. So k1 and k2 are relatively prime. Let order of a power of p is equal to m, which implies a power of p whole power of m is equal to e, that is a power of pm is equal to e. a power of pm is equal to e implies that n divides pm, which implies dk1 divides dkm, because n is equal to dk1, p is equal to dk2. So by substituting those values, we get dk1 divides dkm. So d and d get cancels. Then we get k1 by k2 m implies k1 divides m. Treat this as equation 1. Now consider a power of p whole to the power of k1. Now by rearranging the powers, a power of k1 whole power of p is equal to a power of k1 whole to the power of, in the place of p substitute dk2, then a power of dk1 whole power of k2, it can be written like this. Then a power of dk1 is nothing but n. So we get a power of n whole power of k2. Now a power of n is equal to e. Therefore a power of n whole to the power of k2 is e power of k2, which is equal to e, which implies m divides k1. Treat this as equation 2. Now by equation 1 and 2, m is equal to k1. Because k1 divides m and m divides k1 means both of them are equal. Therefore m is equal to n by d, that is order of a power of p is n by d. Now let us work out few examples based on these. Let G be a group, A, B are any two elements of G of order m and n respectively. Then order of AB less than or equal to order of A into order of B. Let us find out the solution for this. Given order of A is equal to m and order of B is equal to n. Now consider AB to the power of mn, which is equal to a power of mn into b power of mn. A power of mn can be written as a power of m whole to the power of n, and b power of mn is b power of n whole power of m. Now by the data, we know that order of a is equal to m, order of b is equal to n. Therefore a power of m is equal to e, b power of n is equal to e. So we get e power of n into e power of m, which is equal to identity element e. This implies that order of AB is less than or equal to mn. N is order of A and m is order of B. So which is less than or equal to mn means that is equal to order of A, order of B. Hence the result. Another example 2. Let G be a group and A, B are any two elements of G of order m and n respectively. If m and n are relatively prime, show that order of AB is equal to order of A into order of B. So given order of A is equal to m and order of B is equal to n. Now let order of AB is equal to k. Consider AB to the power of mn. AB to the power of mn can be written as a power of mn into b power of mn. Just like a previous example, it is a power of m whole power of n, b power of n whole power of m, that is equal to e, which implies that k divides mn. Treat this as equation 1. Now order of AB is equal to k implies AB to the power of k is equal to e by the definition of order of an element. AB to the power of k is a power of k into b power of k, that is equal to e, which implies a power of k is equal to b power of minus k. Since the product of two elements is equal to e means one will be the inverse of the other. Implies order of a power of k is equal to order of b power of minus k, and that implies order of a power of k is equal to order of b power of k. Order of a power of k divides order of a, and order of b power of k divides order of b. That is nothing but order of a power of k divides m and order of b power of k divides n. But order of a power of k is equal to order of b power of k. Therefore, order of a power of k divides m and n both, which implies that order of a power of k divides mn, which is equal to 1, which implies a power of k is equal to e and b power of k is equal to e. But order of a is equal to m and a power of k is equal to e. Both of these results implies that m divides k, and also we have order of b is equal to n and b power of k is equal to e, which implies n divides k. M divides k and n divides k, since mn are relatively prime, implies mn divides k. Take this as equation 2. Now from 1 and 2, k is equal to mn, that is order of ab is equal to order of a into order of b. Thank you.